Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about a vegetable that's not only delicious, but also incredibly good for your health: carrots. Carrots are not just a tasty addition to your meals, they are a powerhouse of nutrients. They are an excellent source of beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision. In addition to vitamin A, carrots are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C and K, and minerals like potassium. One of the most well-known benefits of carrots is their positive impact on eye health. Beta-carotene in carrots gets converted into vitamin A, which is essential for maintaining healthy eyes and preventing night blindness. Regular consumption of carrots may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a common cause of vision loss in older adults. Carrots are fantastic for your skin, thanks to their high beta-carotene content. Beta-carotene acts as a natural sunblock, helping to protect your skin from sun damage and promoting a healthy complexion. Including carrots in your diet may also help reduce the appearance of scars and blemishes. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in carrots contribute to heart health. The soluble fiber in carrots can help lower cholesterol levels, promoting a healthy cardiovascular system. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. If you're looking to maintain or lose weight, carrots can be a great addition to your diet. They are low in calories but high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. Snacking on raw carrot sticks can be a nutritious and satisfying alternative to less healthy snacks. The versatility of carrots in cooking is another reason to include them in your diet. From salads to soups and juices to snacks, carrots can be incorporated into various dishes. Experiment with different recipes to find enjoyable ways to include carrots in your meals. Carrot is a nutritional powerhouse with a range of health benefits. Whether you enjoy them raw, cooked, or juiced, making carrots a regular part of your diet can contribute to your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.